Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing FVG positioning average. All right, so now you should know that FVG stands for fair value gap. All right, it refers to an imbalance in the market where price moves so quickly, that it leaves a gap between buyers and sellers. All right, on a chart, this often appears as a large candle with little overlap between the previous and the next candle. Like you can see what happened here, right? You can see what happened here again. Okay. So these gaps represent areas where price didn't spend much time, and traders believe the market may return to these zones to rebalance. Now, the idea of positioning average within an FVG means identifying the midpoint or key area within that gap where price is most likely to react. So instead of entering at the very edge of the gap, some traders focus on the average level inside it for better precision. FVGs are often used in combination with trend direction, all right, and market structure. For example, in a downtrend, traders look for price to retrace into a bearish FVG and then continue downward. All right. So the key takeaway is that FVGs highlight imbalances in the market, and using the average level within them can help refine entries. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.